friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to be showing you the tutorial for this glam party look. I am using Colorbar Perfect Match Primer to blur out my pores. Never skip the primer step before you do any makeup, as this acts as a barrier between your skin and the products that you use. To conceal my pigmentation, I am using an orange corrector from Sephora. Use very lightly on the areas where you have pigmentation. Now to blend this out, I am using a damp beauty sponge from Nykaa. Next, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Tawny. I'm using this in the area where I have used the orange corrector. Always use a soft dabbing motion to blend the products into your skin. Next, I'm using the Lakme 9to5 primer+Matte foundation in the shade Warm Caramel. Dot the foundation all over your face and again blend this using a beauty sponge. So that's how we get our flawless base to our makeup. To set everything and prevent the products from creasing, I'm using a compact powder from Faces Canada. Coming to the eye look, I'm using a warm peach color from the Makeup Revolution Newtrals 2 palette. With a soft fluffy brush, I'm using this color to define my crease. And also this is my transition color for my eye makeup look today. Next, I'm using this brick color to slightly smoke out the outer corner of my eyes. Also, I'm taking this little bit to the eyelid. Since this is a party look, I'm using the shimmery burgundy color from the same palette to my eyelid. I always prefer using my fingers to pick up the shimmery colors, as I want the full intensity of the color. Next, I'm using a warm peachy shimmery color from the same palette, and I'm picking the color with my little finger and blending it out in the inner 1/3 part of my eye. Next, I'm using a warm pearl shimmery eyeshadow from the same palette to highlight the inner 1/3 part of my eyelid. And finally, I'm using a fluffy brush to ensure that there are no harsh lines. Using an angular brush, I'm taking the brick color to line my lower lash line. And I'm using the pearl shimmery eyeshadow to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. I'm going to be creating a winged liner today and I'm using Maybelline colossal liner for that. To line my waterline, I'm using the Lakme Iconic Kajal. Next, I'm using the Colorbar Zoom and Whoosh Mascara, and this is a beautiful mascara which is going to create a beautiful voluminous lashes instantly. So now when you open up the secondary lid from the mascara, it's going to give you the cleaner one which will have a minimal amount of product. And I'm using this in my lower lashes. Next, to do my eyebrows, I'm using the Etude brow pencil in the shade black. And this is a very pigmented pencil, so you have to use it very carefully. For contouring my face, I'm using a palette from Nykaa, and this is a warm brown color that's going to instantly create a lifted and sculpted cheek. For blush, I'm using this warm peachy color from Maybelline Master Blush palette. And I never use blush on the apples of my cheek as it is chubby over there. Applying blush over that will really make it more emphasized, and I don't want that. I'm using a highlighter from the same Maybelline palette to highlight my cheekbone area. This creates a subtle glow to your face, and it is a party look and you definitely need a glow, right? Also, I'm using the same highlighter to highlight my brow bone. For lips, I'm using the Lakme liquid lip color in the shade Nude Pink. And this is a beautiful pink color and it will definitely suit for all complexions. And that is the finished look, and I have used earrings that matches my outfit. And I'm doing a little party kind of a hairdo for my look. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll meet you soon in my next interesting video. Until then, stay safe and take care. Bye.